How to delete data from apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete data from apps on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting data means just trying to reset everything inside the app, but without deleting the app. So in this case, if I open Netflix, you can see I'm logged into my Netflix, everything is saved. But if I would like to delete the data for the Netflix app, what I can do on my Android phone is I can simply open settings. And then after I open settings, I can simply look for the option called apps and then tap on it. Then under the app section, just go ahead and search for the certain app of which you would like to delete the data, which in our case was Netflix. So I will select that. Once I go to Netflix here, all I have to do is just go to the option called storage and then tap on it. Under storage, if you look at the bottom, depending upon the phone that you're using, you'll find two options, clear cache and clear data. Since we are trying to clear the data, you can tap on clear data, tap the delete option, and all the data for that app will get deleted, and it will also log you out of your account and reset it just like the time you installed first time on your phone. This way you can go ahead and then delete data from apps on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.